Hey guys, it's Keisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog, basically just showing you guys what I like to do to upkeep my pampering. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do during the week to upkeep my overall beauty and self-care. So I do get Botox. So this is actually during the week already, and I've already gotten my Botox and my lip injections. It's already worn down now. So I'm just going to show you guys what the results were.
So here's the before and after for my Botox, and then the before and after of my lip filler.
Obviously, I don't do this for every time I go out or every time I have my birthday. It just all landed kind of in the same week. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on those post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Like this video, especially if this is something that you guys enjoy watching. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is kishaencarnacion. I have it right here for you guys to see. Anyways, let's just get started. I'm not really sure how I feel about electric toothbrushes. I feel like I always want to scrub. And I think with electric toothbrushes, you're not supposed to. You're supposed to kind of let it go. And I just want to like get in there, you know? This is the Fairywill electric toothbrush. I'm trying this one out. It's really pretty. I'll probably explain it better in another video. I got this towel headband from Amazon. The only thing I find annoying about them is they're too thick. If they were just a little bit thinner, I think I would enjoy them a lot better. So I'll show you what I mean. It comes up too much, so it kind of like creates that bend over here. And then like just here, it looks like it's taking up my whole top of the head. So I'm using the Fancii face brush. This one I got from Amazon as well. I love Amazon, you guys. If you guys don't know, I shop on there a lot. I've kind of stopped for a while now. I feel like I've just bought everything I need so far. So you guys probably know this from all my other videos, but I like to use the Cerave foaming cleanser. I like to use the silicone brush because I feel like it's just a lot more gentle than the actual brushes, and it just feels a lot better on my skin. I'm trying to, you know, clear my acne, and I feel like I've done a pretty good job now. Like I don't have it too noticeable. I've been using some new stuff. I got the Ordinary Niacinamide. This is good for like acne scars and like redness and stuff, irritation. So I started using this. It doesn't irritate my skin at all. I really love that. I did shop on Sephora recently and I bought a bunch of new skincare products. So I'm just on the road to get clear skin again and just start taking care of my skin a lot more because it's so important. So I'm going to shave my face. I'm going to avoid like these, you know, big marks here of acne. I don't want to go over it. I don't want to irritate it. I'm just going to kind of go around it. You guys can see that, right? Holy, that's a lot. And I've been shaving my face for like 5 or 6 years. Like I have done it a lot, so I know my hair doesn't grow back crazy. This makes my foundation look a lot nicer. And then I don't really do around here. If I do notice any noticeable hairs, I will pluck them, but I don't notice anything. Now I'm gonna rinse my face. For my skin, I've been recently starting to use niacinamide. So I use this dropper day and night before I put my moisturizer and stuff on. This has been helping a lot with my redness and scarring. So now I'm gonna go in with my moisturizing eye balm by Belief. So if you guys know who Hiram is, I watch him on YouTube. He's like a skincare specialist. He talked about the Happy Hydration Cream from e.l.f. and I wanted to give this one a try, so I've been using this and it's super inexpensive, so that's why I was like, okay, I'll get this. But it only came in like this really tiny bottle and it came in like the little set. So if they sold this separate, that'd be cool. So I'm using the Lips Sleeping Mask. Obviously I'm not using this to sleep, but I just feel like it hydrates my lips really nicely. My skin's looking a lot better now. I'm gonna do my nails. This one is really broken and I want to do my nails for my birthday, so I'm gonna do that. My mom just brought over my Amazon package because I get usually everything shipped to her house. And I got the ViShine nail polishes here. There was a big pack of 24, so that's all of them right there. So before I get started with my nails, I actually want to paint all those colors onto some little tips like this so I can properly see the colors that I'm working with. Yeah, that is what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna fast forward you guys and you guys just watch how I do my nails. Those are all the colors all painted on the nails. That took forever, so I'm probably gonna finish my nails tomorrow. These are all the new colors. I'm gonna decide which ones I wanna do now. And then I can add those colors to here.
All right, you guys, it's the next day now and I'm gonna do my nails. So I'm starting off by pushing back my cuticles, and then I'm gonna go in with a nail drill to take off the gel polish and smoothen out the base. And then I'm going to trim my cuticles with a cuticle trimmer. And then if you guys watched my previous videos, then you probably know that I started using acrylic powder. So I'm still learning how to use it, but basically I'm just adding a new layer of acrylic powder near the cuticle area, kind of where it's grown out, and then I'm adding any missing nails with an acrylic nail tip. I've purchased everything from Amazon if you guys are interested. And then I'm just buffing out and smoothing out the surface again. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the acrylic powder and then just add it around my cuticle area. And then again, just smoothing everything out, and then I'm gonna add my gel polish. And then for my gel polish, I'm going in with the ViShine Gel Polishes. So I'm first starting off with the base coat and then curing that for about a minute. And then I'm gonna go in with 3 layers of the ViShine number 212, and again, just curing that for a minute. So I'll probably skip showing you all 3 layers, but I did 3 layers of the 212 gel polish. And then finishing off with the top coat, and then curing that for about a minute as well. So nothing too crazy. I'm so sorry, but I didn't realize I actually didn't film the finished nails, and I only got this really short clip, but I'm going to be doing my nails again really soon, so hopefully I can explain them better for you guys. Now, this is the next day where I was doing my little birthday celebration. So I'm using the Ole Hendrickson Lemonade Smoothing Scrub to exfoliate my face. This left my face feeling super soft. And then for shampoo, I'm using the Marc Anthony Dream Big Thickening Volume Shampoo and the conditioner. And of course, you guys know I like to leave my conditioner in for a few minutes while I do my body. And then for my body, I'm using the Nourishing Body Scrub from Nuez Acres. And it comes with this little spoon inside the tub, but I actually preferred using my hands to scrub it all over my body. And this, you guys, made my skin feel so smooth. It was such a nice little exfoliation on my skin, and I really liked how it made my body feel afterwards. Now I'm going in with the Shea Butter Shave Cream. This is almost like a conditioner on my skin because it just makes the razor glide really smooth onto my skin, and it makes it a way easier process. Then just rinsing everything out, and I'm pretty much done my shower. Now I'm going to do my hair, starting off by blow drying using the Conair Blowdryer. And then I'm just clipping away my hair out of my face so I can do my makeup. So I'm prepping my face using some lip balm for my lips, and this serum I got from Nuez Acres It's their skin serum. It has anti-aging benefits to help reduce the look of wrinkles. This smells so good. I didn't realize I love the smell of pecans this much until I started using this product. For moisturizer, I'm using the Happy Hydration by e.l.f. Now I'm just gonna go in with my makeup, and I'm basically just doing my eyebrows. And I'm doing a really pretty, nice bronzed eye look. I decided to do a nice glowy look, so let me know if you guys like this look, and then I could do a makeup tutorial on it if you guys are interested. I ended up really liking it and how it turned out, especially with the purple liner on my lash line. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this. Once I'm done my makeup, I'm gonna go in and crimp my hair. So I'm just using a crimper I got from Sally Beauties. And then once that's done, I'm going in with the Nuez Acres hair serum. I like to use hair serums or hair oils when my hair is fully done, and I'll just add a little bit onto the ends of my hair because my hair can get really oily pretty fast. But this smells so good. Like I said, the pecan is just such a really nice scent, and I didn't really know I loved it this much. So definitely check them out. I'll have their link down below if you guys want to have a look. So for my hair, I'm going to do this kind of old school little hairstyle. I'm having a little 2000s theme get together with a couple of my friends. So I just wanted to do a throwback hairstyle, and hopefully I can explain this right, but I'm just going to grab the pieces around the perimeter of my hair and then tying it with some elastic bands. This style turned out so cute and I really liked it. And then I'm just finishing off by showing you guys my 2000s theme birthday. A couple of my friends helped me make this theme come to light, so big thanks. And then a huge shout out to Regine for making all these really cute props for the table. It was just so cute, and I wish I could have spent it with all my friends, but still, this was such a memorable night. And then also shout out to Tara for making this really beautiful butterfly cake. I'll have her Instagram linked here if you guys are local to me. Yeah, you guys can definitely check her out. But anyways, you guys, that was the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe for more content. Bye, guys.